Hi guys, we are moving to our destination Anayadikuthu. Our journey starts from Thodupuzha. From here it is just 20 kilometers. This destination, which we are going, is very near to a famous waterfall, Thommankuthu. Yeah, we can see one bus is moving in front of us. There are many local bus facilities available in this route, but it is more convenient to go through private vehicle because bus availability is just 2 kilometers back to the waterfall. Now we just take deviation from Karimannur town and we are entering into the forest area which leads to our destination. This area gives a pleasant feeling of the nature. You can see now we are moving through an off-road. For adventure riders, Anayadikuthu is a very preferable place.
Yes, we are almost near to our destination. We can see signboards of our destination. It is only 350 meters from here.
Now we have reached the parking area. Parking facilities are arranged by the native people itself. Several spaces are there for parking. Each space is owned by individuals, so that the parking fees is also collected by them. 10 rupees per vehicle they are charging.
From here, we need to walk a small distance to reach our destination. Yes, we have reached almost close to our destination. We can see another signboard here.
You can see it is a little bit difficult to walk through these rocks, so there is a possibility for trekking on the way. People who love trekking can enjoy this place more. Yes, we can see a welcome board over here, which includes some guidelines and restrictions which is to be followed. It's a plastic free area and the government and natives are preserving the place very well. We can see there are facilities to change the dress. Restroom facilities are also available for the tourists. We can hear the trembling sound of waterfall from a long distance itself. Yes, at last we have reached the spot. here in front of Anayadikuthu Waterfall. We can see how beautiful the waterfall is. There are different stories revolving around the name of this waterfall. One of it states that earlier the wild elephants usually roam here for water, and one day one of these elephants lost its control, fell in the waterfall and dies, which resulted in the name Anayadikuthu Waterfalls. This Anayadikuthu Waterfall is also known as Anayadikuthu Waterfalls.
This is one of the unexplored and safest place in Idukki district. Lot of tourists visit this spot. This is more safer than Thommankuthu Waterfalls, so families can come and enjoy this place. Also, experience the scenic beauty of the waterfall. Now, we are going to see the top view of the waterfall. We are going to see the origin of the waterfall.
Yes, we have reached the origin of the waterfall. There are some families staying at the premise of the waterfall. Here a bridge over there. The bridge is used to cross the river. Here we can see the crystal clear water and beautiful stones. This is a must visit place in Idukki. Hope everyone will have a great time here.